Hi everyone! So I've been super frustrated with my Kitty Litter Robot 3. It's been making this horrible clicking noise as it rotates, and it's been driving me nuts. So I looked online and was trying to figure it out, and I think I solved the problem. I'm gonna set you guys down. So as you can see, there's an arm that attaches the globe to the base, okay? So when you take off your bonnet, you're gonna just lift the globe up and you're gonna rotate the arm in one direction. And if you can rotate it, well, you're probably gonna have to do it one way or the other, but the arm should be able to rotate a full circle and a half. And if you can get it to do that, which you should, going in an opposite direction that it's currently at, and then you replace the globe back down, it should not click anymore. We took the back piece off, the arm off, and there is actually a little lip that plastic flaps against inside this black arm, and that's what's causing the clicking noise. So if you don't believe me, just unscrew the one screw in the back of that black arm, the center of the circle, and you'll see it. Just be careful, there's a piece that's inside the globe that will pop off when you unscrew into the kitty litter. So don't forget to grab that piece. I'm going to turn the globe around and show you. I'm going to unplug it. Okay. So we're going to pop the bonnets off. I can't see the other side. It's over here. Okay, and when you lift the globe up, you can see the arm. Okay, you can go all the way around and then it will click. Okay, so you want to go back to all the way till you can't go anymore. It's going to give you some leverage, some push pressure, and then put it right back down. Okay, so that's how you know. Go all the way around, you'll hear it click. So you want to go back in the other direction and it's giving you tension, and then go right back down. All right, let's try to put this back in place. There we go. Both sides are in their crevice. Put the bonnet back on. Also, don't forget these little lips in the back. I didn't realize that until later, and I thought maybe that's what was causing the clicking noise, but no. All right. Plug her back in. Let's turn back on. Reset. Okay, it's going. This is the test to see if it's gonna click. So far, so good. This is usually where it clicks. Obviously, I need to clean out my kitty litter box. All right. No clicking. This is great. And if anybody knows what kitty litter is the best kitty litter to prevent my cat's urine from sticking and not falling down like it should, please comment below and let me know what kitty litter you prefer, or that you think it works the best to prevent that. My cat loves to pee on the side of the mat down there instead of straight into the kitty litter. Okay, so it's almost done cycling and there's no clicking. So it is possible, guys, to get rid of that clicking noise. I've had it for about 2 weeks now. Finally took the time to figure it out. Sand's going back in. All right, so I think we got the point. It made a full cycle, no clicking. I hope that was helpful. Sorry for the bad hair day, but I thought it was super important just to go ahead and post this because I don't see anything on YouTube that's helpful. Hopefully this was helpful for you.